video we're doing a lift tour time of Green Lane Barnstable. So basically here we got quite a few lifts, but I only filmed 2 of the lifts. Now I did not get a full video on that because I was in there to go shopping and that with my mum and that, but I probably will actually go back down there and do another video on it. So basically, please enjoy the video and like and subscribe if you haven't already after the video. First lift we're going to is a Cone MC, but guess what? It's been horribly modernised by Generic. But let's ride it anyway. Here we go, and wow, this experience is absolutely shit. I've hated Generic so much, and I did not expect it to be like this. At least though, it has got some original features, like it's got the original phone box. Woo! Let's carry on with the video. Guess guys what buttons it's got on the lift? Dewhurst! And guess what? Dewhurst is absolutely shit. Now we move over to the next lift, which is actually not a Generic, it is an Otis Gen 2. Woo! Well, let's go and ride it. This is a nice lift, this is better than Generic. Now, let's see what's going on now. Remember guys, and smile!
No!
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more. Goodbye!